Hi everyone, I'm Gareth and this is my colleague Gilly. We're both ex-primary school teachers and part of the education team with Clevertouch. And Clevertouch are really proud to announce the launch of the latest update to LYNX Whiteboard. That's our free to use presentation software, LYNX 8. 8 Reasons to Love LYNX 8 are the series of videos that you're now watching one of, and we hope you enjoy them. Hi everyone, Gareth here with another of our 8 reasons to love LYNX Whiteboard. So now that we've gone to version 8, we're showing you some of our top tips, some of the reasons why we really love LYNX Whiteboard. And this one is number 5, all about the ease of making lessons. It's always been easy to make lessons and slides in LYNX Whiteboard, but we've added some new features to make it even more fun and easy to do. So I'm still sticking to my Pirates theme, and I'm going to be using the content area to grab content and bring it onto my slides really quickly. So we find the content area here in the plus button, and it says show content. I'm in the local content that actually is provided to you from the LYNX developers. So if I go into the history section, we have a Columbus folder, for example, where I can grab a picture of a nice galleon there and add that to the page. And of course we've got the media search, where you can search from all of these various websites. So let's check that out with this video that I've dropped in directly from YouTube. As you see, once it's buffered in, it will start to play without any adverts at all. We're straight into our video clip. And as we're watching a video with the students, what's nice is that we have this snapshot tool here that I can press on at key moments of the video to take an image of the video so that we can return to it later. So each time something different's happening, I can just take a snapshot of that. So now if I pause the video, I'm just going to shrink that out of the way. We can of course zoom into the video whenever we like as well, if we want to watch the video full screen within LYNX as well. So I shall just come back out of that. And now here we've got all of the snapshots of the video that we can storyboard and get the students to help us sequence and so on. So let me show you how the media search works. So I want to find some images of cartoon pirates. So I've gone to Microsoft Bing, which is great for images, and I just click into the search area, and because I'm on my touch screen, I can now handwrite what I'm looking for. Cartoon pirates. And we just wait for the search bar to pick up that, and there we are, it's searching for us straight away. You can see that I've already pulled out quite a scurvy crew here. I just want one more pirate, so let's go for this fellow here. He looks quite gruesome. There he is. It's come onto the screen quite large. That's absolutely fine. Just going to close down the media search now. What I want to do is tick, I'm accepting that image, but I'm also going to hit here the remove background button, which will take away his background. And if you notice, we've got a little bit of white left under his arm there. So I've got a tool that will help me with that. So I have a fill tool, and if I select the transparency color, I will be able to tap on there and it will remove that little piece for me as well. So happy days, that's all sorted. Let me just shrink him down and we'll pop him there. So now I've got lots of images on my slide, but of course we need text boxes as well, so that the children have something to read and they're taking in information. So to do that, we have our text box options here. When I tap on there, it shows me the 3 default fonts that I've already chosen. So I've picked one, I can click somewhere on the screen. If I activate my on-screen keyboard, I can use that with this text box. So let's say I'm talking about galleons. So there we are, I see it's typed that in for me with the font of my choice. Just get rid of that for now. We also have another way of being able to type directly on the screen, but with this we use a special pen. It's our handwriting recognition pen. I'll just choose a colour that we'll see nice and clearly on the screen. So as we're writing, let's say we're talking about the weapons that pirates use, such as a cutlass. I can handwrite that and it will transform my handwriting into the font of my choice. And I can select that, and that is a live text box if I need to edit it. So for example, if I want to check my spelling of the word cutlass. Now, I want to get all of these features ready for presentation mode. So to do that, I can just click on each item individually and give it a job to do. The default is that it will just be something we zoom in on, as we'll see with all of these images. But this pirate fellow here, I'd like to make sure that he can wander around the page as he sees fit. So we're going to make him editable when we're presenting. His ship's mate here, we're going to have him be on a replicator, so we can use him like a maths counter, if you like, moving him around the screen. This parrot here, we're going to go to the options for presenting, and this time we're going to cover the parrot up. So this parrot will be hidden until we tap on that cover. I can also edit that cover. I can pick a totally different colour. And in the options here, we can actually split up that cover into extra pieces. And we can also have them numbered. Then finally, what I want to do is get these characters over here doing something really special. You'll notice we have a young pirate, middle-aged pirate, and an older pirate. I'm actually going to put them on top of each other. Let's see, what order will they end up in? Okay, so the older pirate's at the front. I'm going to select all of those at the same time. And now in my presenting options, there's a new option called Cycle. And you'll see the effect of that in a moment. So let's go and start presenting. So all of my images here, as I tap on those, we can zoom in on them. And we have our pirate here that can wander around the slide as he sees fit. He's our editable pirate. We can make him grow and shrink and so on. This is our replicating pirate, so we can have a whole horde of pirates ready to attack. On our cover here are 8 pieces, our pieces of 8. We can tap on each number and reveal the parrot as we go, and of course hide it again if we choose to. And finally, we have our old pirate here who I placed on a cycle. So as I tap on him, you can see that he's getting younger. I'm sure he would enjoy that as well as we tap and cycle through those images. Now, of course, as well as having the text and the content displayed on the slides that we can make interactive, we also have some annotation tools here, such as highlighters and so on. So I can tap on the pen choices here, I can pick a pen colour, and we can actually start to write directly anywhere on the slide as well. So it really is that easy to create your slides and be able to annotate on them.